Hi everyone. Last class we discussed about the list, how to add a list in our pages. Also, we have added a created create button. So today we'll discuss about the how to edit and how to edit the record and how to view the record, and we can give the action button to download the list. So now now I'm going to Designer Studio. This is the list. Last video we have created, we given the create button, we given the create button. So now we'll provide the for this records edit action and view details action, how we can provide. So go to Power Pages design editor page, click on particular list, go to edit list. So go to actions. So in that list actions we have already completed create a new record. Now we are having a row actions because of we are these are the row actions. In these rows only we are going to provide edit and view details buttons. So now we are going for the row actions. I'm enabling view details. So in this form I'm selecting a, we are all now we are having only one form. Last video we have created only one form, that is with the insert mode. Means we can create a record, but now view details, it could be only read only, it cannot be editable. So before this we need to create a one view details form. So go to portal management, go to basic forms. So we already created with the name of one course create form. Now we'll create a course view details form with the name of course view details. We'll select the table name is course list, and we'll select the form course list main form. And now we are having a mode. Now we are view details means we have to only read, it cannot be editable, so I'm giving the read only. And source type is the query string. We're having a record source type query string current portal user and record access to current portal user query string, and we can use for this is for id wise it will come. So record parameter id, I'm selecting this one, I'm selecting my website now. So I'm saving now. So I have saved. Now we have created a one form. Okay, that is the view details form. Now you can go to your designer page and you can refresh it once. Now once it is refreshed, we can able to see our whatever created this form in our list. So we can go to our list now. So I'm selecting list again and I'm going for edit, going to actions. I'm going for the row actions because we are doing for row only. Now given this, I'm selecting my two main forms came. Select a list main form and 1 minute. Now again it is showing both the same forms. So go to here, we'll refresh once because I have created one U form now. So we'll select in the basic form U form only. Instead of maintaining in the same all in the same forms, instead of we can maintain separate U form. For U details we can maintain separate form, and then for insert and edit mode we can use separate form. Now I'm selecting my view form here, save it. Now we can refresh it. So now it is saved. So we'll go here Power Pages. So now again we'll select this one, go to actions. Now we can see we'll get a view form. You can select view form. If you want to give label name something, I'm giving as a view details label name. So I'm clicking on OK. Now sync it. Once sync, go to preview, desktop version. Now we can see we are having a actions. Now view details action added. So click on view details. Now you can only read only. You cannot able to edit. This is the way we can add the raw actions for view details. Now, but but this record I want to edit. How can I edit? Same way. Go to designer page, select or edit. Same. We are having a row actions. One more row actions. That is only edit record. So for this edit record I'm enabling, but I didn't created any edit page. Means I need to create one more basic form. So I will create one more basic form with the name of course edit form. Going to create new one. I'm selecting my table name, form name, list main form only because it can be editable. So I'm selecting mode. I'm selecting edit. It will ask you record source type. I'm making as a query string. I'm selecting my site is, so I'm saving. Once it is saved, go and refresh it again in our Power Pages. So now it will display it in edit form. We can select our main form only. Then we'll go for the edit options, actions, edit record. Now we can select only same list main form only. Edit you can give, click on OK. Now I'm giving sync option. Once it is synced, go to preview. Now we can able to see I'm again syncing once. Go to preview. Still it is not came. So again we'll check our basic form. So here it is not taking further. I'm maintaining for separate forms for edit form, view and maintain form. So I'm selecting edit form and I'm saving now. Now we'll sync it. Now we'll refresh and add that one. So now I'm again selecting the particular form, edit form. So click on OK. Sync configuration. Sync done. Preview. Now we can see edit. Okay, why here it is not coming means if we go here we are having a one table permission, but in the table permission if you open we are not given the right, because this is the edit, we have to give the privilege to edit. So now I'm saving. So I have saved. Now if you sync now, Go to preview now. Now surely it will display because of for table permissions we have given this for this list. In the table permissions we have not enabled that privilege. Now we can be able to see we have given that privilege. So go to edit. Now we can able to edit something whatever it is. Now example I'm giving CRM developer. So you can submit it. Automatically it will change here. If you go here, automatically it will go to the view details page. So this is the linking with the first action. So this is the way we can give the row actions for particular record in a list. Okay, now here we can give one more option, delete. Example, I need to delete this record. I don't want. So how can I delete? I have to delete means I have to go back to model driven app or back and data was. So I have to delete it. Instead of that, we can delete in our portal only. So nothing is a first go for the list particular table permission. Go to open our table. I'm giving the privilege to delete. So you can save it now. So I have given the privilege, but I have not given the button. So next step I have to give in the button also. So button you have to give in go to actions. We are having list actions, sorry row actions. One more one is there, that is delete record. Just you can enable automatically it will show the delete button. Now we can go to sync configuration again. Now it is synced, going for preview version. Now we can able to see the delete button also. Now I'm going to delete this one. It will ask you the question like if you want again really you want to delete the record. So if I'm going to delete means this record won't be available in backend and frontend both way. So now we have given the row actions for all three buttons for view, edit and delete. Now example I'm going to create one more record with a CRM category. Example, I'm thinking I have multiple records here. I need to download it and I need to see it in Excel. So I need to give the download button. This means it is the list actions. Go to your here, go to your list page, edit list. So go to actions. For list actions, we have done create button. So that is already in beside of this we can give one more button as a download. So that is a list action. See download list contents. So I'm just giving the label as the download. Click on OK. Now sync it. You see. Now I'm going to download this one. My file has downloaded. I'm opening my file. It will open in Excel sheet. See, I'm having only two fields. So that is the name and creator and all it is showing. Because of in my list only to view, it is having two. If you want more to show in our list, we can add it in our view. Whatever the fields you need, automatically it will show. So this is the way we can create a list in our web page, and also we can give the list actions and row actions for this using Designer Studio. So for list actions, we can give create and download button. For row actions, we can give view details, edit and delete buttons. These three it will work out. If example you have given for table permission, okay. Without example, I'm the authenticated user. So only authenticated user only I'm given for the table permission. So authenticator user only can able to see this list under CRM or Power BI records. If someone is anonymous user means you go on sign out once, you cannot able to see because we don't have permission to use these records. Because of table permissions, if you go here are given only for authenticated users means whoever sign up our portal, they can only able to see the list of records in our course list. So this is the way we can restrict the records to see, whoever want to see, whoever not to see. So next session will somewhere some other session will discuss about the roles and table permissions clearly. And thank you so much. We'll connect for next video. Thank you so much.